Look at this. It is a zebrafish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a silver rasbora fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a common fish. Look at this. This is Nile tilapia fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Yes!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is Nile tilapia fish. Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Yeah!
Penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Yes!
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a zebrafish?
On the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a snow white fish?
Bye bye!
Look at this. Is this a boomfish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yes!
Yeah!